For the past 2 days, the Prime Minister of the Kurdistan regions has had very successful meetings with members of Congress, both in the Senate and the House of Representatives. The meetings have gone very well, and we are promoting also the great success in energy investment in the Kurdistan region by signing a contract with American business companies for over $100 billion of investment in the energy sector. This is a huge success for Kurdistan and the Kurdistan region, as well as for the American companies. And this is in line with President Trump's mission and goals to promote and develop energy and business with the Middle East, and we are doing our part in that regard. We're very grateful to the United States government for their support, and this visit by our Prime Minister is coming at a very critical time with the new administration as well as members of Congress to promote and to reinstate the long-standing, strong relationship between our two countries.